Regenerating Sonora is a community development nonprofit on a mission to nurture local potential for a resilient and thriving future. Our shared vision is to help Superior, Arizona become the healthiest, most resilient rural community in the nation. All the work we do is inspired, planned, and implemented by locals. So it's truly grassroots and all about neighbors helping neighbors. We see firsthand that people of all ages and of all walks of life have something to contribute. And it's our work to set the conditions so that community spirit is felt by all.